YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do today. Hopefully you guys had a good day. Everybody is safe. Here we go. Let's see what's inside. Click on the link down below, which is my Amazon affiliate link, and see what other goodies they have to offer besides this item. And if you like this item, add it to your cart now and check out. And they'll ship this to you fast. Let's see what this is. Ooh, baby. This is coming from Sealight. Ooh, Ambient light strips. Oh yeah, this is going to be a good one. Here we go. So this is their automotive spot to get anything for your car. Check them out. The website will be down below. And also the Amazon site. So definitely check them out. See what goodies they have for your car. I think maybe boats. I'm not sure. But you could probably run these lights in your boat. You know, in the cabin. Stuff like that. Oh yeah. LED strips, baby. Perfect for Father's Day gift. Got something in here. Looks like little clamps to clamp it down. We'll go outside or in the garage in a few, install, and show you how they look. Definitely excited. Oh yeah. Man, I remember back in the day, during my prime years, that when Fast and the Furious or Too Fast, Too Furious came out, man, I was all about that car scene. With the stereos and everything in the car. Got a lot of trouble with it, but hey, good times. Now it's different. Now I'm older, a little wiser. So this will do for show, you know. Drive around at night. Here are the LEDs, looking good. Looking really good. There's going to be an app to download, so have your phone ready. I got to grab my other phone. So you get 4. Got a lot of wiring, so it's always a good thing. And yeah, all you got to do is just plug it into your car adapter, cigarette lighter, and bada boom. So you get LED strips, control box, car charger, manual, clips, hook, tape. Got the hook. See, it shows you how to install through easy install. So you know, for your father, you might want to do it for him. And bada boom, bada bing. He has something glowing by his feet. Be great for Uber, Lyft drivers, you know. You get the control right there. Light color RGB, power supply, car charger, voltage, 12 volt, control mode, app plus control box. So either or. I know with this new distracted driving rules, you can't be on your phone too much, so you might want to just use the control box. Switch, it shows you the switch on and off. Color brightness, that's the middle one right there. And the bottom is going to be the mode. There's 4 different modes. And the app is going to be called via Astro Smart. Astro Smart. But once you buy it, you'll have the manual. And I think that's about it, because this should be the other languages. Yeah. So it's very simple, guys. Anyone can do it. If I could do it, you could do it. So put it that way. Alright, let's see. Untangle. Do the fandango. Let's get this zip untwisted. And we'll be rocking and rolling. I think it has probably like a bass with the music sensor, you know, rhythm. Yeah, they're good. So I just got to figure out where I'm going to set it up, but the 2 go in front, probably 2 behind the passenger and driver seat. So it'll be 2 and 2 in the back. Right? 2 and 2 and 2 legit to quit. Alright, so Next trip will be to the garage.
Alright guys, there it is. I got it installed right there. I just got to tuck in that wire for the control box, which is right there. And then other seat. So that's how I got it. And the other seat, I got it right there installed. I don't know if you guys can see the wire right there. And we'll turn it on right now. And right there you can see these two. And I got them in the back. Right there. So, oh, there goes my phone. So, and here's the control box features. And the only thing I gotta do now is this tuck in the wires and I'll be good. So you got the voice for the music. Goes with the voices and everything else. And then there's mood lighting, which is cool. That's a good one. And there we go. You can make it brighter. All you gotta do is click the button. Like I said, there is an app for it, but it's kind of hard to do it with the phone when I'm recording. So, but with the new destructive driving laws, I would suggest use the control box, and you're good to go. Don't need to get no tickets. And then, definitely a hot one today. Different modes, but really cool. Definitely happy. Check them out, guys. Like I said, something for Father's Day. They got a lot of stuff for automotive. All you gotta do is click the link down below. You got the feet glowing. Right there. Look at that. Bling, bling. And I got detailed this car for sure. Alright, guys. So check them out. And be safe. Have a good weekend. See you soon.